Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft and I'm happy to welcome you to a new video on Business Central. Today I'll show you all about fixed assets. So this is going to be a short, quick video just so you get a broader understanding of what fixed assets are in Business Central and also how you can use the platform to manage your fixed assets. So first thing first, you come up here as usual, click on the search button and search for fixed assets. So you have it here in the list. And as you can see, this is a list of all of your fixed assets that you currently have in your business. Now, if you want to add a new fixed asset, it's easy. You just click on the new up here and fill in all of the details that you will need to provide to have a new fixed asset added into the list. Now, let's go ahead and check, for instance, the first one, the details that exist when it comes to fixed assets in Business Central. So as you can see, there's the number here that you can actually change based on how you want to name your fixed asset. There's also the description. There's also the class code. So whether it is financial, intangible, or tangible, and the subclass that you can choose to put into the category based on that specific fixed asset. Now, if you want a different subclass, you can click on the new up here to create a new subclass, which is currently not present in your existing ones. Now you also have the location. So this is very important because sometimes you have your fixed assets in different locations. So this is important to indicate. And you will also have other information and components of that fixed asset in particular. So you can see here whether it is inactive, block, or even acquired. So yeah, you can definitely indicate what fixed assets that you have acquired, transfer, or dispose of in Business Central itself. Now, if you come down here, you will see the depreciation book, which is very important when it comes to fixed assets in a business. So you will see there's many different type of depreciation method. For this one, we have chosen the straight line, but you can see there's a lot of options that you can choose here based on the type of fixed asset that you have. And you can also see the number of depreciation years. So what you will need to do is put in the number here and also put in the starting date, and then Business Central will automatically calculate the ending date for that particular fixed asset for you. So this is a depreciation book, which is very important. The next is the maintenance. So this is, for instance, if you've got someone who comes on a monthly basis to do like any maintenance work for that fixed asset, or if you've got any warranty or even insurance for that fixed asset. So this is where all of that information will be input. And then we have the electronic document. So for instance, for this particular fixed asset, it is a vehicle. So like the license plate or the vehicle year and so on. Now, when we look to the right of the screen, you will see attachments. So you have documents here and notes. So you can choose to attach specific documents based on that fixed asset in Business Central. So for instance, this is a vehicle. So maybe you want to include the license plate or the registration number and so on. And in the notes, maybe you want to include like maybe the year that you've acquired the vehicle and so on, or the last time that it got maintenance work done and so on. And if you click on details here, which is great, is you can choose to add a picture of that asset. So in this case, if you wanted to add the picture of the vehicle, you can go ahead and click on import or take the picture and have the picture of the fixed asset here. So this is actually how you use Business Central to manage your fixed asset in your business. So as you can see, this was very easy, quick, efficient, and short, but this was also just an overview of how you can use Business Central to manage all other fixed assets in your business. So if you've got any comment, don't forget to drop them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.